Hello everyone. Today is another day for our fishing. I really like this place because it's also got so beautiful, so pretty. Wow. Big friend is over there. Big friend over there. They are hungry, huh? They are hungry. Wow, can I fish, huh? Tomorrow I'll fishing myself. I have to get a license first so I can go fishing tomorrow. I have a new. Oh, just be patient. Get it back. Get it back. My God, this is beautiful here. You got one very quick. Oh, come on, baby, come. What kind of trout is that, honey? Oh, that's broke. Wow, I hope you can find a big one, hon. Wait a minute, hon. I'll find a stick for that. He said he lost one again. I said, be patient lang. Hi. Okay. One. There's a lot in here. There's a lot in here.
I lost 3.
Come on, honey, come on. Maybe this we will take them here, honey. Brian. Honey, I want Kaylee and Brian. We will go together so we're a lot. Wow. Good job, honey. Good job. I saw that. I saw that. Oh my God. Third time, friends. Look at mga friends. There's a lot of fish in here, mga friends. Wow. Han, I have a feeling you will get another 21 inches, Han.
I wish.
Oh. It's so fun because I really saw them biting you. 2 of them. Allah. Better tell Kelly come here. That is big. Oh, wow. There's the fish. There's the fish over there. See? In the water. Ah! Hala! Big again? What is that? What kind?
Brown?
Brown?
Yeah.
Wow. Hello, Brown. Let's go down. We will follow him. This area here is kind of hard from yesterday, you know. But here I can see a lot of falls in here. Hey, this is Nantahala River. Oh my God, he did not answer me. He's kind of serious. I will not disturb him because he said if you're fishing, you have to be concentrate and call the fish, you know. Well, we'll go to the other place. We might found one bigger than yesterday. Wild denodendron.